Welcome to my Kcse Mathematics Revision channel. Teacher James Marita. We are looking at Kcse revision, that is area under the curve. So with me I have a question here at the area under the curve. As you can see from your screen, there is a diagram here. This diagram shows a sketch of a curve. This is a curve here, a sketch of a curve, where the value of y, that curve, the equation of that curve is x squared minus 3x plus 6. Then there is intersecting with the line. There is this line here, intersecting with the line, which has an equation x plus y is equal to 14. For the range of x ranging between -2 and 4 at points P and Q. So the question, find the coordinates of P and Q. Finding the coordinates of P and Q, we find the coordinates of P and Q, it is just finding the coordinates of intersection. P is a point of intersection between the curve and the line. And then Q is the point of intersection between the curve and the line. So we can have our equation here, which is y is equals to x raised to power 2 minus 3x then plus 6. That is the equation of a curve. And we have a equation of that line. We have this equation of a line, which is x plus y is equals to p 14. But we can also write this one here in the form of y. So you say this one you can also write as y is equals to p. Tutoa x tuleta hapa inakuwa ni 14 then minus x. So they mean they are the same. So we need to find the coordinates at p. So at point P, the value of x is equal to p what? As you can see from the screen. The x-axis at the p, the value of x is equal to p -2. So x is equal to p, the value of x is equal to p -2. So if the value of x is equal to p -2, we can either use this equation here. Y is equal to p 14 minus x. But the value of x is equal to p -2. So it means that y is equal to p 14 minus 2, and this one is giving us 16. So the coordinates of p is x is -2, y is 16. That is the coordinates of p. At Q, so we can also do that one. At Q, what is the value of x? When you look at the screen there, at Q here, the value of x is equal to 4. At P, the value of x is equal to -2. At Q, the value of x is equal to P4. So x is equal to 4. So what is the coordinates of P? We can use also that equation in there. The coordinates of P, so y is equal to P. It is 14 now minus 4, 34 there, which is giving us 10. So this one is giving us 10. So the coordinates of Q is what? The value of x is equal to 4. The value of y is equal to p, 10. So this one gives us the coordinates of Q, and that one gives us the coordinates of P. But P is supposed to fill the table below for the values of y, the value of y4, the equation which is y is equal to px squared minus 3x plus 6. This one here is very simple. There is no need for me doing, because you just go to your calculator. We have been given the value of x here as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have y is equal to px squared minus 3x plus 6. You start with when x is equal to p -2, you replace here. When x is equal to p -2, y is equal to p x -2 squared minus 3 to -2 plus 6. A complete substitution, this one will give you 16. You move ahead when x is equals to P1, and then you get the value of y is equals to P10. When x is equals to 0, you get that the value of y is equals to 6. When x is equivalent to 1, the value of y is equals to 4. When x is equivalent to 2, the value of y is equivalent to 4. And when the value of x is equivalent to 3, the value of y is equivalent to 6. When the value of y is equivalent to 4, when the value of x is equivalent to 4, the value of y is equivalent to 10. This one is very easy. You just play with the calculator. You just where there is x, when x is 0, you replace by 0 here. You will get that the value of y is equals to 0. So that is it. This is the area under the curve and also completing that table. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You watch and share.